Guys, I know there's many bird whistlers out there, but I'm a one of a kind. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? With a little chase out. A lot of people whistle like this. You know what I'm saying? But me, unfortunately, I'm from Texas, Fort Worth. Look, this high whistle. You know, I'm gonna let y'all know what's up. The real wide rate, all that, all that. But for real though, look, this is the real deal, Holyfield, from I above all nations and cities and states. Check this out. Man, stop. And that's the real deal, Holyfield. Want to know more how to do it? Just hit the comments or whatever, and get at you. You know what I'm talking about? You know, learn on land. That's the real deal, Holyfield.